Hi everyone, I'm Lucy Lord and I'm a photographer. I've just touched down in beautiful sunny Mallorca, and let me tell you, the jet lag is real. Lots of fine lines, dehydration. Oof. Today I'm gonna tell you about my hacks for travel skincare and beauty. My first tip for combating dehydrated skin on the plane is lots of this. And no, that is not gin and tonic, it's water. Drink plenty of it. The first thing I do when I land is I'll do a balm cleanser, and one of my favorites is this one by Cosmetics 27. It's part of their detox kit, which are all travel mini size, which are fantastic, so you'll have no problem with popping these in your hand luggage. I love the consistency of this one. Also smells really heavenly. That much. And gently massage that in. And as you can see, it's already starting to fill in some of the cracks already. So just leave that for a little minute. Just pat, remove that balm cleanser with a nice hot cloth. So I love this mask, which is also part of the Cosmetics 27 kit. It's super, super hydrating. I did mine on the plane. So it was that terrifying lady who wears a sheet mask on the plane, and honestly, I don't care. This is great. It's got like an extra long mask, so you can pop it on your neck as well. It's really, really hydrating. I also love to follow up that mask with another Cosmetics 27 product. It comes in their detox kit, and this is the hydrating fluid. Again, lovely consistency. I love all of the Cosmetics 27 products, just immediately hydrating. And another product I love from that kit as well, and this is that anti-pollution detox, especially good for those long haul flights. And now I feel like my skin has been rescued from all those hours of plane travel. If I could take only one product to a desert island with me, it would be this Chantecaille Vital Essence. I live and die by this stuff. I get 3 tubes of it. You're only supposed to do 1 pump, but I always do 2 because it's so luxurious, but you know, whatever. And just massage it into the skin. It has an amazing lightweight consistency, and there's not many products that you use and see an immediate result with. I think it usually takes a little time, but with Vital Essence, I literally wake up the next morning and you can just tell the difference. Genius. Do not leave home without it. It's time for a moisturizer, and this is a new favorite of mine. It's the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, ultra hydrating, anti-aging. Just grab a little bit, massage it in. It's really lightweight, smells amazing, brings a bit of an instant glow. Next up, we're going to apply an eye cream, and confession, I didn't use eye cream for a very long time, and I also didn't wear sunglasses for a very long time. I am from England originally, and we don't see the sun as often, I guess. As a result, I have pretty bad crow's feet, so now I am diligent about my eye cream. I keep referring to the consistency of the products, so I guess that is really important to me. I want my products to feel quite lightweight. I need my beauty products to work really hard for me because I am always living out of a suitcase. I have pretty limited space. Okay, next, and probably one of the most important steps of my skincare routine, is sunscreen. I love MECCA Safe Face 50+. This stuff is amazing. It's super lightweight. It really goes on smooth, as you can see. Take a pea-sized amount and just rub it in. Make sure you get your ears and your neck too, and that will help protect me against the Spanish sun. So that is my skincare routine done, and now it's time for makeup. There is a second product I would not leave home without, and it's the By Terry Cellular Rose CC Serum. And I tell you what, if you're having a bad day, you can put this stuff on and it will turn everything around. It's magic in a bottle. So put a little bit, rub in, and immediately it is bringing me life. This instant beach day in a bottle without having to subject your skin to the sun's rays. So this will really form the base for my makeup. For my concealer, I love Hourglass Retouch and Fluid. Stuff is magic. So cover up those bags. It's a little into the eye socket as well. And then I'll just do whatever's left around my nose, a little on my chin as well. For my base, Laura Mercier Tinted Illuminating Moisturizer. I have been a long time devotee of Laura Mercier, and now MECCA stocks it, which is amazing. I use these little sponges, and this one from Stiller is great because you don't need to wet it. Just gonna put a little bit on, and then you can just sponge that in. This also has light reflecting pigments in it, so it gives you an immediate highlight. Obviously making sure to blend. You'll know what happens when we forget to blend into our necks. My go-to bronzer is Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. Love this stuff. I use this Lila B little brush, perfect for travel because it retracts. Take a little bronzer and then that on my cheekbones, a little on the forehead, under the nose and chin. Just think about the areas the sun would naturally catch anyways. Next up, eyebrows. So I have really pale eyebrows that seem to disappear in photographs, so I love this Hourglass brow brush. I used to get my brows tinted. My husband would call me Frida Kahlo because they'd always be so dark and take a few days to settle down, but this stuff has replaced the need to get my brows tinted, and so I always just do a little extra up here. So for my eyes, I'll do Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara in this handy little travel size. This mascara is amazing. So really pared back, little routine for travel. Last but not least, blush. Love this one by Westman Atelier in Minette. If I could only have one makeup product, it would have to be blush. It immediately gives so much shape and life to my face. And with my complexion, I can look a little sallow sometimes. So as soon as I put blush on, it really makes me look alive. So I'll pat a little of this onto my finger and then just go for the upper part of my cheekbone, blending that in there. Oh, instant life. Love this shade. And then I'll just do a little on the lip. And for me, anything that can do cheek and lip is brilliant because it's only one product I have to carry. I'll always go overboard on the blush. Et voila! It is my 5-minute skincare and beauty routine when traveling. Thanks for listening.